Host asks frontbencher if government has failed so far on tackling the Channel crisis. A Labour minister was challenged over the party's failure on small boats in a Sky News grilling. Host Wilfred Frost pressed Housing Minister Matthew Pennycook on Channel crossings being up almost 50% on the same time last year. The Sky News presenter hit out at Mr. Pennycook for blaming the Tories despite being a year in. He also rejected his claim that Labour would rapidly bear down on migrant arrivals. Asked if it was fair to say the government has failed, Mr. Pennycook said, "I don't think that's the case." Mr. Pennycook went on, "We always recognise we've inherited an immigration and asylum system in complete chaos. We've got to restore order, but there was never going to be a quick overnight fix on this. We are taking action in a variety of areas. Our Borders Bill is going through the Commons, which will give the enforcement agencies counter-terror-style powers. We're making other changes, in particular this quite bizarre fact that French police, due to current law in France, cannot intervene in shallow waters if a boat is just 10 yards off sea. Incredibly challenging situation, there's no quick overnight fix, but we are making progress and we do think the Sky News host interrupted, "You're not rapidly bearing down. It's been a year, with due respect, to claim you're rapidly bearing down and cite once again the inheritance when we're a full year essentially into your term in office. And it's not like the numbers have persisted, they are 50% worse. Thus far, that's failure. Mr. Penny, I don't accept that because there's no overnight fix to this. We have to put in place the measures that will allow us, and I do believe this will happen in due course, to rapidly bring down numbers. Once that Borders Bill becomes law, once we have made those changes, I've given you a very specific example there. French law stopping French police enforcement agencies getting into the water to stop these boats coming."
Explicar lo que siento cuando tú no estás conmigo, cómo gritarle a los vientos que me perteneces, que te necesito, cómo explicar la alegría cuando tú estás a mi lado. Yo sé que no hay en el mundo un amor más grande como el que me has dado. Te amo, amor, te amo, por siempre 1000 veces te amo. Y aunque no creo merecerte, doy gracias al cielo de haberte encontrado. Te amo, amor, te amo, por siempre 1000 veces te amo. Que Dios bendiga tus ojos, tu cara bonita, tu amor, tus encantos.